Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing. This time is a little bit different, so I would like to ask you to leave some feedback if you have some to give, either positive or negative, please. It's my first unboxing of a TV, so I'm a little bit cautious about this one. By the way, I paid 449.99 euros, okay? Guys, welcome to another unboxing. This one is a little bit different. It's bigger. As you can see, Philips television, 65 inch, Jesus, 4K, Dolby Atmos, and ready for gaming. We'll put that to the test. Also, it's the 700 series. I'm very curious because this new 7000 series has the ambient light. I could not find if this one had it, and I searched everywhere. And yeah, let's crack on. Here's the remote, covered in snow. This is the remote, Netflix Prime, Disney, channels, apps, YouTube, ambient light. I'm very curious to know if it has ambient light because I could not find it anywhere. By the way, this is the Philips 65PUS7009/12. What does the 12 mean? Fuck all, don't know. Couldn't find any. Okay. This might be some protection. Honey. Okay. I do not know the name of this in English. Oh. Oh, nice. Battery. Very good. So this is basically the safety, the power consumption, and the screws for the stand. The issues with this television start here. The screws are very bad quality, like tremendously stupid bad quality. I put a little bit too much force on them, and they couldn't take it, and I round them out, as you can see. I had to do a lot of things to get them out because I couldn't probably put him all the way up and attach the legs per se, and I almost broke the underneath of the television, and that was a problem. That's why you can't see me assembling the television and putting the television on top of its stand, because I was super nervous and I was about to fucking cry because this shit was expensive to me, and you know, it's fucking hell. That's one of the issues. I am getting at a dilemma. I do not know how am I supposed to put on the you gotta set it down. That's gonna be an issue. My last television was an LG, was a 42 millimeters, if I do recall myself. It was an LCD normal television. It was from, I don't recall correctly. I think it was from 2012 or 2011. It was full HD, and it was the LG 42 LD450, which was good at the time, and it was lacking a little bit of performance when I put it on with the PlayStation 5. But no, it's good. It's being used on the bedroom. So these are the ports on the TV. On it supports ARC, VRR, and HDR. And on HDMI 1, it supports also HDR. This is the back of the TV where you can put on wall mount if you want to. It has a lot of options, either more to the left or more to the right. It all is indicated by the little arrows that you can see engraved on the back of it. So, issues I got with this television. There was a dead pixel that I found on it. I tried every trick in the book that you supposedly get back pixels that are dead, but this one was fully on dead. I talked to Philips itself. They told me it's within the margin of error, which is 10 pixels per television upper than 65. The other issue is those lines underneath the television. After I saw those lines, there was an update to do, and I just decided to do the update. I did the update on the software of the television, and it fixed the problem, and it never appeared ever again. Now, to show you some gaming and television on the TV, I'm playing Fortnite, I'm playing Space Marines, Spider-Man 2, and watching Batman 2022. A good thing about this TV is the fact that it has a game mode. As you can see, it tells you the latency, the hertz, the resolution, type of content, which is game, HDR, and then it has some definitions, which you can have this shit always on, which is pretty awesome, not gonna lie. Then it's also the control of the shadow, temperature, and system sound of HDMI. It's pretty cool. And this is the reflection of the TV when you're looking or seeing something with the windows open. I have two windows on the right. It does fairly well, to be honest. Let's not forget it's an LED television, it's not the OLED. It's not super dark on those dark spots, but you know, it's fairly good for its price. Again, I'm reminding you, 449 euros. Lastly, this is not a review. This is just an unboxing, just a quick setup. I'm not showing you anything major. I'm not showing the menus on the television, not showing its infotainment system. I'm not showing anything of that. Just playing some games, showing you, unboxing it, and some issues. If you want an unboxing, and review, just tell me you want one, and I'll try to make one within 1 week. A quick review, just telling you the things I like it and the things I don't like it. Okay? Thank you.